So what is material? Let's see. Material is a substance or mixture of substance that is constituent of thing. In scientific materials, non-living matters whether natural or man-made, it is counted. So material science means investigating relationship that exists between the structure and properties of material. It is also interdisciplinary field. It involves discovery and design of new material. Material science deals with study of structure, property, processing of material. So structure of material related arrangement of its central component. Properties, how all the materials are exposed to some external forces that have resulted in some type of response. Structure is, in the structure will be counting the atoms and subatoms, microscopic and macroscopic. In subatoms, electrons and nuclei are counted. It is atomic organization of atoms or molecules. Microscopic means group of atoms that are normally agglomerated together. Macroscopic means viewable with an unaided eye. So like this, the structure it is counted. So further, if you count how the materials are processed is, first it will be the processing stage, then it will be having overall structure, then you are going to count the properties, further overall performance of the material, what are they are generated. So this is the relationship diagram when you count any material structure. How do you select a material? So you are going to pick application, determine required properties like mechanical, thermal, electrical, magnetic, optical or deteriorative. After determining the properties, then you go for the structure and composition. Further, material, identify the required processing. So changes of the structure and overall shape like casting, sintering, vapor deposition, doping, forming and annealing. What are the types of materials it is available? Metals and alloys, ceramics, organic polymers, composites and glasses. These are all different types of materials available for design. So what is a metal? Metal, it is a materials in this group which is composed of one or more metallic element. Example is iron, copper, etc. Often also non-metallic elements like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen in relatively small amounts that is available. Atoms in metal and their alloys are ionized in a very orderly manner. So further, if you take ceramics are compounds between metallic and non-metallic elements. They are most frequently used as oxides, nitrates and carbides. Examples are aluminum oxide, silicon oxide, it is there. Polymers or polymer include the familiar plastic and rubber material. Many of them are organic compounds that are chemically based on carbon, hydrogen and other non-metallic element. Polyethylene and nylon are the examples of polymers. What is a composite? Composite is a combination of two or more material. One phase is the matrix material, another phase is the reinforcement phase, used to achieve properties of two materials.